Hi, this is Counselor Jim Thompson, and I'm giving you kind of an update of where I'm at here with this whole process of the YouTube channel and the other things that I'm trying to do. Today's date is 9/9 of 2025, so this is the most recent update that you're going to see. And this is uh, going out especially to my subscribers. Thank you. God bless you. I appreciate you very much. But really, anybody who wants to see this, of course, is welcome to see it. But I want to tell you where I'm at and why I've been a little slow to upload. I have been working on finishing up the courses, the first batch of courses that I will be putting online for people to sign up for. Um, these are specifically for couples. The first course is probably the longest one of the bunch. It has 15 different sections to it, or lessons to it, I guess you'd say, divided into five different parts. Um, it's called A World Class Love: Building the Relationship of Your Dreams. And so I am posting the whole set of them. It's 15 half-hour videos plus a workbook to go along with that. Um, but I've also divided it up into its five natural pieces. Um, the first piece, each one of these is three lessons. The first piece is about building your team, working together to create the life that really you want. The second part is about communication, which is the big thing. Everybody says if they're having problems, it's because they're having communication problems. So this is a series of lessons on how to be a good listener and how to be a good talker and how to have a great conversation together. Um, and then the next one is how to be supportive, how to be supportive of each other, to support and understand each other's feelings and to show appreciation and to just be helpful to each other. And so there's three lessons on that. And then there's another section on problem solving. I have found that people get to be an adult because they can solve problems. Uh, but the odds of one person and another person solving problems in exactly the same way kind of slim. And so then that creates a problem for couples. How are we going to address problems? And one of the things that I have noticed in my 40 years of doing this is that couples um, usually end up with about a half a dozen problems that they just keep replaying over and over and over again, because they've never really worked it out to a resolution that you're both comfortable with. And, of course, the point of this course on problem solving is to help you do that very thing, to actually get to a resolution point so that problems don't keep coming back. Um, then there's also another section that's on growing closer. Um, it deals, first of all, with the issue of forgiveness and being forgiven, and then intimacy, and then finally, what I call the perfect day. So there's three different lessons. Altogether, there's five sections. And when you add that all together, you get the 15 lessons that make up the World Class Love program. So, what I'm going to be posting is the links to be able to purchase the opportunity to do the whole program or any one of the five um, other programs. And so I'll put in a link down here, and you can check it out and see what you think. And if you're interested in going through the program, I think you'll find it of tremendous benefit. This is what I've been teaching thousands of people for 40 years about how to build a good life together. And, so that you don't have to fight and you don't have to be frustrated with each other, but you can talk and communicate well and solve problems and feel supported and grow closer in your life together. So that's what this is all about. I've been spending the last couple of weeks putting the finishing touches and all that. And so I'm ready to go. I guess live. Anyway, they'll be available, and I'll put a link here for you that you can check those out. So that's what's been going on, and so now I'm going to get back on the regular path of producing 2 to 3 videos a week. I appreciate your patience with me while I was working on this other thing, but I felt like it was important to get that material out where it was available for people. I have plans for other videos. I want to do one on just the whole process of stop fighting. Fighting is an enormous waste of time, and there's no reason for it. We can actually work through things without having to have a fight about it. My wife and I haven't had a fight in 25 years. We have disagreements. We have things that we don't agree about, have different points of view on, but we don't fight because we don't need to. And you don't need to either. And I can show you from some pretty simple ways um, to just not fight, not have to fight anymore. And so I'm looking forward to that one. The other thing I'm working on is this cycle that couples get stuck in, where they just keep doing the same problems over and over and over again, and that's exhausting and frustrating, and it causes a lot of stress that just simply doesn't need to be there. So that's another unit that I'm working on, and I have plans in the future for other courses that I'm going to be posting out there. But I'll let you know as we get into that. So this particular video is just to give you an update, to apologize for not really posting very much in the last couple of weeks, and to let you know what I've been working on, and that I'm going to be back on my schedule again of posting 2 to 3 videos um, a week on this channel. And I appreciate the fact that you have, many of you have looked on these, and I welcome your comments and your questions. Um, I am currently at, I think, 359 subscribers. That's a miracle to me. And it's a blessing that that many people are listening. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please consider clicking that and becoming a subscriber so that you can hopefully benefit from my years of experience and all the things that couples have taught me about making a good life together. So, anyway, we'll look forward to doing more, and I'll keep you posted as to what's coming next. So, take care. God bless you, and I hope your life is going well. Take care.